And I'm losing what I can't afford to lose on you, baby. But I got some of I think what you want and what you need. So let me lose my mind for you, baby.
Baby, tell me why you're playing silly games. Why you wanna hurt me? If you don't want me, girl, just tell me so. Then just let me be.
Losing my mind for your flavor.
Losing my mind.
Losing my time and my paper.
Wasting my time.
Losing my mind for your flavor.
Losing my mind.
Losing my time and my paper.
Wasting my time. True love is so hard to find. That's why you never find another love like mine.
Say what?
My heart is aching for you, baby. Girl, I'm so in love, but I just don't know what to do. I know what I got is so damn real, baby. I'm singing my song.
Losing my mind for your flavor. Losing my time and my paper.
So as you can see here, the lock is down, and yet the fridge still opens because it doesn't come down far enough to go in here.